Hey guys, welcome to yet another YouTube video. We're going to be quickly discussing about a setup that occurred yesterday, USD CAD. So I want to just quickly show you guys two methods which could have been used in catching this particular long position. So the first one will give us a lower or a small risk to reward ratio, and the other one will give us a higher risk to reward ratio, meaning lesser risks and higher reward. And the one with a higher a lower RR would have given us a higher risk and also a higher reward, depending on your risk management. So I just want to quickly state that the first thing you do when you start looking at the market is look at the market structure. Yeah. Try to understand what is going on, maybe from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. And when you see a potential setup, try and look for previous areas of order flow to confirm your level of entry or your point of interest. So one of the ways you can do that is like what we have here on Usdcad. And you can observe here we had a demand level, we had a pullback to this demand level, mitigated it before we had a strong momentum that broke structure to the upside. Now we know that we have broken the trend to an uptrend and we are to expect a pullback. So we're going to have like a few candles where we'll be having an area of concentration to go long. Then I'll quickly go to the 1 hour and show you guys the candles in question. You can see from the 1 hour, we have this nice demand candle, drop base rally. And if you place your entry from that 1 hour demand and your stop loss below the demand level, you're going to have about 14.5 pips stop loss. Well, if you went down to the lower time frame and try to refine this 1 hour demand level to the lower time frame candle within that 1 hour level, you get a smaller stop loss and a higher risk to reward ratio. You can see for this stop loss of about 40 pips, targeting 100 pips profit, we have a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio, which is also good, but I mean you could do better. And that is all I'm about. That's what I teach. That's how I trade. I try trading using lower risks and higher rewards, those good RRs. That's what I'm mainly focused on. So just to show you guys what I'm talking about in the lower time frame, I don't really get into detail, but those of you who are familiar with smart money concepts, you would be able to understand what I'm saying. And for those who are not, you can obviously try to reach out to me on Instagram or on Telegram at official Spencer FX on Instagram and or at Spencer FX on Telegram if you have more questions. So you're going down to the 15 minutes. My candle was just, I don't really want to show you guys more details, I already show my students or those who I trade with. So we just had this 15 minutes candle here where I had my lower entry. You can see these two lines. This is the top of the demand level, and this is the bottom of the demand level. And if I place my entry from that level, that will give me 7 pips stop, giving me a 1 to 15 risk to reward ratio and a 108 pips target. So now with that refined candle, we have a low risk and a higher reward. Why from the candle from the higher time frame, we have a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio, giving me a 40 pip stop and a 100 pip gain. So this is how I just navigate my trades to get the best opportunities and get those lower risks and higher rewards. I mean, there's no problem trading this way. It's good. But if you're someone who doesn't really have a large account and you want to try to minimize your risks and know how to navigate the market to look for those best opportunities, I think it's probably best to make sure that your entries are more precise. Not like this is not precise, but I mean, you know what I mean? You have a lower risk. I mean, having a setup like this is super cool, and you're not going to be wasting too much money on the trade. And even if the trade doesn't work out, you're still gonna lose just a little bit of money compared to when you have a stop loss like this and you're having a good lot in that trade. That you might end up losing a lot of money, which is not really good. So this just shows you guys the importance of having those knowledge on how to navigate your POIs and try and find your entries, to get the best setup possible, to get that lower risks and that higher reward for your trade. So yeah, if you guys need more information, contact me again on Instagram at official SpencerFX and on Telegram at SpencerFX. So that'll be all for now, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.